As you probably already know, Instagram lets you create fun reels and share them with your friends. Instagram also allows you to delete them from your main grid or let them be visible on your main grid. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and on my profile, I have one visible reel, but if I tap on this reel icon, you can see that I have 3 more reels that they are not visible on my profile. So let's start with this one. Let's say I want to hide it from my main grid. So what I do is I tap on these 3 dots at the top right corner. And as you can see, the first option says remove from main grid. So once I do that, as you can see, it is not apparent on my profile grid anymore. But if I tap on this reel icon here, you can see that all my reels are still there. Now, let's say I want to put them back in the main grid. All I have to do, I'm going to do it one more time. All I have to do is to tap and hold. And the first icon says add to main grid. So I will do that. Let's say I want to do this one as well. So now you can see that these 2 reels are added to my main grid. So as you just saw, removing or adding reels to your main grid is so simple. Hope that helps. And if you have any more questions regarding this, why don't you ask me in the comments section?